Consider the corner of a garden. It is often a forgotten space, a repository for the compost bin, a spot where two fences meet and create a void. But within that intersection lies a unique potential, the opportunity for the most intimate kind of enclosure. A wooden garden corner sofa doesn't just fill this space, it capitalizes on its inherent architecture. It uses these two converging walls or fences as its own building in backing, creating a sense of shelter and embrace that freestanding sofa in the middle of patio could never achieve. This isn't merely outdoor seating, it is the crafting of a sheltered niche, a deliberate retreat within the retreat of your own garden. The foundation of this idea is simple yet profound geometric fit. The sofa is designed as a right-angled unit with its two backs meeting in a corner. This L shape is inherently stable and space efficient. It tucks neatly into the garden's very geometry, turning dead space into prime real estate. The structure itself is typically built from a robust, weather-ready timber. Cedar is a natural favorite. Its warm reddish tones and natural resistance to rot, making it both beautiful and practical. Teak, with its legendary density and oily hardwood, offers a more substantial, luxurious feel, promising to silver elegantly over decades. The frame is sturdy, often with a slatted base for the seat cushions, ensuring drainage and airflow to prevent moisture from being trapped beneath them. But the true character of a corner sofa is defined by its cushions and configuration. Deep, plush cushions in performance fabrics define the comfort level, transforming the wooden frame from a bench into a true lounge. The corner itself becomes the most coveted spot, the king's seat, offering a panoramic yet protected view of the garden. This configuration naturally fosters conversation as everyone is facing inward toward the shared space of the corner rather than being strung out in a line. It is a social arrangement by design, perfect for quiet talks or shared silence. The wooden element allows for incredible customization and integration. The arms of the sofa can be built wide and flat, acting as side tables for a cup of tea or a book. The frame can incorporate built-in planter boxes at either end, blurring the line between furniture and garden bed, allowing greenery to literally frame the seating area. Some designs include a central, low wooden coffee table that fits perfectly into the crook of the L, completing the conversational circle and creating a stable surface within easy reach of everyone. This turns the corner from a seating area into a fully furnished outdoor room. The choice of location is everything. tucked into a leafy corner under the dappled shade of a tree. It becomes a cool green bower, positioned on a patio to catch the afternoon sun. It turns into a sun trap for relaxation by using the existing fences or walls as backdrop. You can train climbing plants, jasmine, clematis, or even a productive grapevine to create a living, fragrant canopy above and behind the sofa. The wood of the frame and the greenery of the plants enter into a direct dialogue, one supporting the other, both growing more beautiful with time. This setup also offers a clever solution for privacy. In a garden that feels overlooked, that corner sofa, especially when backed by tall fences and enhanced with strategic planting, creates a hidden room. You're sitting out in the open, yet you feel tucked away and private. The corner embraces you, and the world beyond its arms seems to fall away. It provides a profound sense of seclusion and safety, which is the ultimate luxury in any outdoor space. In the end, a wooden garden corner sofa is an exercise in intelligent, empathetic design. It sees the potential in neglected space and fills it with warmth, comfort, and community. What draws you most to the idea of a corner sofa? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.